This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place a container beneath the radiator lower hose connection. Release the spring-type clamp and disconnect the rubber coolant hose. Be prepared for coolant spillage. In the passenger's footwell, operate the bonnet release lever. Lift up the safety catch, open the bonnet and support it with the strut. Unscrew the bleed cap from the heater matrix outer hose union on the engine compartment bulkhead. Slacken the bleed screw and sealing washer from the top of the coolant housing on the left-hand end of the cylinder head. Refit the radiator hose and secure the retaining clamp. Ensure the bleed screws are open. Cut the base from a plastic bottle and use it as a header tank on the expansion tank. Slowly fill the header tank whilst observing the bleed screws. As soon as bubble-free coolant emerges from the heater matrix bleed screw, refit the cap. As bubble-free coolant emerges from the coolant housing bleed screw, tighten it gently. Occasionally squeezing the radiator hoses, add coolant until bubbles cease to appear in the expansion tank. Start and run the engine at fast idle speed until the cooling fan cuts in and out twice. Refit the expansion tank cap. Unclip and fold away the strut. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock.